Welcome to Yercaud, a hidden gem in Tamil Nadu, nestled in the Shevaroy Hills. Whether you are looking for a weekend getaway or a peaceful retreat in the hills, Yercaud has everything from serene lakes to breathtaking viewpoints and cascading waterfalls. In this video, we are exploring the top 5 places to visit in Yercaud and sharing some exclusive travel tips to help you make the most of your trip. Located at the heart of the town, Yercaud Lake is perfect for a relaxing boat ride amidst the lush greenery. The tranquil waters reflect the surrounding hills, making it a serene spot for families, friends, or couples. Whether you're paddle boating or simply taking a walk around the lake, this is an ideal spot to unwind. Don't forget to carry a light jacket. Evenings by the lake can get a little chilly, especially during the winter months. If you're looking for a place with stunning panoramic views, Pagoda Point is the spot. From here, you can see the whole town of Yercaud and the valleys below. The name comes from the stone pagodas that are said to resemble those found in the temples of China. It's a perfect place to watch the sunrise or sunset. To make the most of your visit, come early in the morning for clear skies and beautiful lighting. It's less crowded, and you can enjoy the view in peace. One of the most popular attractions in Yercaud, Kiliyur Falls, is a stunning sight, especially during the monsoon season when the water gushes down with full force. Surrounded by dense forest, the falls offer a refreshing and peaceful environment. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers and hikers. Be prepared for a short trek to reach the falls, and wear comfortable shoes as the path can be a bit slippery. It's best to visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds. If you are an animal lover or visiting with kids, Peeku Park in Yercaud is an absolute must-visit. This park is a paradise for bird lovers, with a wide variety of parrots that will land on your hands, shoulders, and even your head. But that's not all. You'll also find a range of animals like emu, rabbits, goats, doves, turkey, ostrich, dogs, monkeys, and even guinea pigs. It's a unique, interactive experience that will keep both kids and adults entertained. With an entry ticket of just 300 rupees per person, you get to spend 2 hours inside, and it's totally worth it. The park is well maintained and clean, even with the crowds, making it a great place to enjoy nature and animals in a peaceful environment. A peaceful escape, Anna Park is perfect for a leisurely stroll. With vibrant flower beds, neatly manicured lawns, and calm walking paths, this park offers a refreshing atmosphere that will make you forget the stresses of everyday life. Make sure to take some time to relax and enjoy the surroundings. It's also a great place to take photos, especially if you love floral landscapes. Yercaud is truly one of Tamil Nadu's best hill stations, offering everything from serene lakes and waterfalls to stunning viewpoints and lush parks. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, these top 5 places to visit in Yercaud will leave you with lasting memories. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel videos and tips, and visit our website for detailed itineraries and more hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.